Hello team, welcome back again to my channel. Alright, so for those who are new here, by the way, I am Mentor Shoba, a political science graduate with Masters of Arts in Political Science. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like this video today and subscribe to my YouTube channel in order for you to get updated on all my video uploads every week. Alright, so let's start. So for today's video, I'm going to discuss about the meaning of the state. Alright, so I know that most of you are trying to look for a definition that will really discuss the meaning or for you to really understand what is the meaning of the state. Maraming naibibigay ang mga different resources ninyo. Okay, but for today, I'm going to give you a definition that can completely define what is the meaning of the state. But before that, let me ask you first to write down in the comment section kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng state na alam ninyo. Okay, para makita natin if you really have an idea. Okay, so I'll give you 5 seconds to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so if you are done and ready, let's start to discuss what is a state. Okay, so according to James Kamer, he said that the state is a community of persons that is more or less numerous, occupying a definite territory, completely free from external control and possessing an organized government to which the great body of inhabitants render habitual obedience. Kapag i-highlight natin yung definition ng yan or i-summarize natin, doon lumalabas yung apat na elements that will comprise a state. So, sabi niya dito, it is a group of people. Okay? Meron na doon yung people. That is one of the elements of the state. Occupying a certain or a definite territory. So, definite territory, ibig sabihin, there is really a territory wherein these more or less people are occupying. And territory is also one of the elements of the state. Another, okay? So, they are also free from external control. Ibig sabihin, walang ibang country na pwedeng magsabi na, oy, ito ang gagawin ninyo. Or walang magsasabi na, or walang magko-control sa mga activities ng state na yan. Okay, so that is sovereignty. What else? Okay, so they also have, or they are possessing an organized government. Okay, so those are the highlights of that definition. Pag sinabi nating state, meron na pumapasok na agad sa utak natin ang mga to, the elements of the states, the people, the territory, the government, and sovereignty. Okay, so government is the one who is doing the mandates of this state. Without the government, the state will not function, as well as state. Okay, if one of these elements is missing, then the state will no longer exist. Okay, so that is the meaning of the state. A state comprises of people, territory, government, and sovereignty. And on our next vlog, we are going to talk or discuss about government. Okay, so what is a government? Alright, so abangan nyo yan guys. And that ends our discussion about the meaning of the state. If you have any questions, just write it down in the comment section and I will give you back a reply once na nabasa ko. Okay, so yan na muna sa ngayon. And please don't forget to like this video today and subscribe to my YouTube channel in order for you to be updated on all my video uploads every week. Paki-share na din ninyo sa mga classmates ninyo or sa mga kakilala ninyo na nahihirapan din sa studies nila. Alright, so this is Mentor Java and goodbye everyone!